Hi friends. So last session we learned about the variable creation and with help of the ls command and with help of the type of and with help of the class we can able to identify the kind of object, kind of class and how to assign a variable a value to the variable. Now we are going to work in this session how to handle the arithmetic operators. Very simple concept. How to handle the arithmetic operators. You know addition operation, subtraction operation, multiplication, division, exponential and modulus, integer division. Let's see practically how I am going to handle those things. So for that what I am going to do is, previously already some objects are available. So I want to remove those things. How I am going to remove? With a command, special command called the remove at once with help of the remove list thing. So all are removed, control L removed. Now everything is fresh. I am creating a variable a equal 10, b equal to 20 and c equal to 3. You know that what is the class of it, what is the type of it. Already previous session we learned. Let work with the arithmetic operations, addition, or directly we can perform a plus b. Simply it perform the without like other languages we doesn't require any kind of special notations or syntaxes. Simply we can able to add two objects of same type. Both a and b are the numerical class, that's why we can able to add. You can also do the a plus b plus c, all are added. Now we want to subtract a minus b minus 10. So a equal to 10, b equal to 20, subtraction a minus b, so negative value minus 10. Suppose you want to store the result in the new variable. Suppose result variable res result equal to a plus b is a simple addition operation. For understanding I am writing addition. So when I am checking, see, when I am performing an operation, new object is created, a plus b added 30, same thing. Again I am doing the subtraction like a minus b, where I am performing the subtraction operation. Subtraction, check, modify, update the value. Multiplication, again multiplication, a asterisk b, then you can observe the updated 10 into 20 200, 10 into 20 200. Division, let's see, division a divided by b. A means 10, b means 20, 10 by 20. What will be the value? 10 by 20 means 1 by 2, that is 0.5. So like we can able to perform. We have these operators and we are having the same operations with the, I work with the a with the b, I work with a with the a with c, a plus c, updated 10 plus 3, like result a divided by c, what will happen? C, 10 by 3, like 3.3. Now I used the special operator called the integer division. As I mentioned, these are common. I mentioned integer special operator, integer division. So integer division is a special operator. The last one, integer division, is a special operator. We can able to see the difference between the normal division and integer division. So I work with the result one. Let's see, we know that a, b, c values 10, 20, 30. Now I want to store res, first result res normal division a by c. You can observe the value a by c updated. Now I am creating a new object res1 a integer division percentage division percentage c. You can observe. That means it will store the integer value. It only, that means converting the double value into the integer. Previously I am performing the same a by c, I am getting the 3.3. Now integer division A by C, I am getting the round of 3 integer value. That is the special operator. And remaining, you know that exponents, I want to do the exponents A cap. Like we can go to the A cap 2. That means A to the power of 2, 100. I can perform the A modulus C, A modulus C, modulus operator, remainder will show. So this is the way how we can able to work with the all these arithmetic operators. So all these arithmetic operators: addition, simple addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponents, modulus, integer division. The special operation is the integer division we have in R. Okay, thank you.